The future of apps is near zero downtime thanks to InsightFinder's AI that automatically detects and prevents outages. Right now, you're looking at InsightFinder's unified health view for e-commerce customer Citizen Kane. Here's how it works. The yellow diamonds represent change events. If you click here, you can see the details of the detected incident. This view shows the root cause chains, which allow DevOps engineers to quickly understand the source of an incident. The light blue shows predicted incidents in the future. Without InsightFinder, these incidents would go undetected and cause service outages. However, because InsightFinder raises early warning throughout the incident and corrects the problem, the system does not go down. Anomaly detection using unsupervised machine learning is essential for every forward-looking business. Patterns are learned to predict future incidents, leading to the most accurate automated root cause analysis. Organizations like Dell, Credit Suisse, and China Mobile use InsightFinder to automate incident response. This lets them focus on innovation, while InsightFinder's AI ensures near zero downtime. Learn how InsightFinder can help your business predict and prevent incidents today.